Welcome to our comparison of the EUHOMY and Igloo countertop ice makers. If you're in the market for a reliable ice maker, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into the features, performance, and design of these two popular models. The EUHOMY ice maker boasts a rapid ice production time of just 6 minutes for 9 cubes, making it an excellent choice for those who need ice quickly. On the other hand, the Igloo model offers a sleek, compact design perfect for smaller spaces, producing 8 cubes every 7 to 8 minutes. Both machines have self-cleaning features, but which one is right for you? Let's find out. When it comes to ice production speed, the EUHOMY ice maker takes the lead, producing 9 bullet-shaped cubes in just 6 minutes. In contrast, the Igloo model takes a bit longer, with a cycle time of 7 to 8 minutes for 8 cylinder-shaped cubes. If you're looking for quick access to ice, the EUHOMY is the better choice. In terms of ice storage capacity, the EUHOMY ice maker can hold up to 1.3 pounds of ice, which is slightly more than the Igloo's 1-pound capacity. This means that the EUHOMY can store more ice at once, making it more convenient for larger gatherings or parties. When it comes to design, the Igloo ice maker shines with its compact and narrow profile, measuring just 7.3 inches wide, making it perfect for tight spaces. The EUHOMY, while slightly wider at 11.54 inches, includes a convenient carry handle for easy transport. Depending on your kitchen space and needs, either model has its advantages. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Igloo countertop ice makers have their unique strengths. If you prioritize speed and storage, the EUHOMY is the way to go. However, if space-saving design is your main concern, the Igloo is an excellent choice. Whichever you choose, both will serve you well in keeping your drinks cold. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.